Next comes grapes. You know, we all have grapes, we all like grapes. About grapes, what is the thing? And there are so many grape wine is there, grape this, that, you know, so many grapes are there. So, best thing about the grapefruit is you can eat it when it is ripe properly. You can eat it. It is also very good for nourishing rasa in the body, but don't eat too much of grapes, because if it is unripe and you are eating too much, it will cause loose motions also. You know, stomach cleansing will happen. So don't eat grapes if they are unripe. Eat grapes only if they are ripe properly. Don't take grapes more than your size of your fist. Whatever grapes will come in your fist size, eat that much grapes daily, because that much is the requirement of the body. And if you eating more than that, the more possibility like it will start coming out from the body, it will start coming out. And these grapes are very, very beneficial. Even if it is dried, it became resin. And about these resins, what you can do, you soak at night, 5, 7 or 11 these resins you can soak at night, and in the morning, whole night you need to soak these resins, and in the morning you can eat these resins and drink that water also, because make sure the resins should be of organic origin, and even if they are dried, they should not take any chemicals, because in the morning we are going to eat it. So, body will become better and health will become better, immunity will become better. Next fruit which we are going to talk about, it is called amalki or amla, or it is also called Indian gooseberry. This is one fruit which is beneficial in all doshas. All these doshas, all these 3 doshas got balance if you take 1 gooseberry per day, or even 2 you can take. So it is very, very good for health. And in Ayurveda we use it as a medicine. There are various medicines in Ayurveda in which this amalki has been used, or this Indian gooseberry has been used, and it has tremendous benefits, health benefits. But yes, don't overeat it. Like, even if you eat 4 or 5, nothing will happen. But it's difficult to eat, because it's little bit sour, and it is also called as divine fruit. And there are 5 kind of tastes in Indian gooseberry. It's said like it's pancharas. It has 5 rasas in it, in small compositions, but it's a combination of all the 5 rasas. And you must have noticed, even after gooseberry, if you eaten, don't take the seed of gooseberry, just outside. And seed you need to throw, because seed in body cannot digest seed. That hard part under this gooseberry is there, that you need to throw, that you should not eat. And if you drink water over gooseberry, you will say it is very sour fruit, but once you drink water, it gives very sweet taste in mouth. So that shows like, okay, it has sweet taste also. So gooseberry is a miraculous medicine in Ayurveda, and I recommend gooseberry for everyone, Indian gooseberry. Next fruit comes banana. I know most of the people like banana so much, and they are eating banana shakes, banana cakes, this, that, so many. And banana, if it is ripe properly, it's very, very good fruit. And make sure it should not be ripe by chemicals. Try to take those bananas which are not ripe by chemicals. And about banana, it enhances kapha dosh, and it balances, if it is ripe properly, it balances vata and pitta. So it is very, very beneficial fruit. And there are many recipes also of banana. If in India, there are various techniques with various spices you eat bananas. So there are recipes of banana recipes, it is called. It is also, it's called, it's a kind of cooked banana, and it's very, very good for health. But even if you are eating raw banana, ripe banana, but uncooked banana, so if you are eating it, it's very good for health. It enhances kapha and it generates mucus. So if you are eating banana, please don't eat after 7 o'clock. In the evening, avoid eating banana. If you are also one of those kinds who like banana, please try to eat banana afternoons or in the morning. Please avoid banana eating at the night, because especially if you have diseases, kapha related diseases like sinusitis or these kind of problems, which mucus problems, respiratory problems, then please avoid banana eating in the evening. So this was all about fruits. If you also are so tempted about fruits, write down which fruit do you like, why do you like, and which fruit your children like, your family like. And you know, it's so good. It's so good to create such a willingness for whole family. You know, when you ask your children like which fruit do you like, you know, they will so happily say we like this, we like don't like this. So these kind of things makes fruits very important. So if you are eating fruits, make sure to eat it consciously and according to your body type. How to know your body type? There is YouTube video in our in the link below. If you have any question, you can go to our Facebook page, that is Rasa Ayurveda Dr. Srinagi and Eustace. To there you can leave some message if you personally want to ask something, or below down this video you can mention any question, whatever your suggestions or questions or anything which you want to do conversation with us, you please mention it below. And also, if you have not subscribed our channel, please take a second and click a subscribe button so that you will be in connection with our upcoming videos which are more towards to make your health better. And also don't forget to click bell icon, and we will try our best to answer your questions the best possible way. And I'm so grateful to you to watching me, and thank you so much for your time, and stay healthy, stay blessed. Take care.